The 67 Battalion CRPF organised a memorable Tiranga rally in Shillong today. The event showcased the battalion's deep commitment to honouring and celebrating the spirit of independence that unites our nation. The rally, marked by fervour and patriotism, featured a vibrant display of the national flag and enthusiastic participation from community members, teachers and students. Sunil Kumar Savita, Commandant of the 67 Battalion CRPF, expressed heartfelt gratitude to all participants and attendees for their unwavering support, highlighting the unity and diversity that define the fabric of our society.
The purpose of this program is just to spread a good message to the common people, to connect the people that there is the common interest for the safety and security of the country. We all are to keep the country safe and secure. Another message of this program is to give and establish the communal harmony among the public, among the state, and all the to establish a good fraternity